guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, it's going to be a little hard for me today because I'm usually really loud and running my mouth and telling you guys whether or not I like some makeup and whether I think it's good or not. But today, I'm going to be doing some ASMR. So, the definition of ASMR is the autonomous sensory meridian response. It's a term used for an experience characterized by a static, live tingling sensation on the skin that typically begins on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine. So, I've heard that a lot of people feel it on the spine, but they also feel it here in their forehead, which is really cool. So, today, what we're going to be eating, I went to the store and bought it just for you guys, are a jar of pickles. Okay, they're dill pickles. None of that butter shit pickles, okay? The tart ones. And then I bought these crackers right here, and they're garlic parmesan. And those are going to be particularly loud because they have a very, very loud crunch. So I think I'm going to start off with some pickles because that's a very big staple in ASMR videos. So I'm just going to lick the juice off of it. Yes, these are indeed dill pickles. They're very tart and I really enjoy them a lot. So let's take the first bite and see what it sounds like. I hope you guys enjoyed that first bite as much as I did because it was so delicious. So I'm going to continue eating this pickle and providing enjoyment for myself and you. Listen to the pickle. I don't think you guys could hear it, but the pickle was literally hissing at me because I bit into it and there was some fermentation from when it was pickled. So it was hissing at me, releasing pressure like a volcano. So good. I wish you guys could be here to taste the pickle with me. It's so salty and dilly and picklish. It's so good. Let me say that word again. Picklish. Picklish. I feel like that's going to be a really good word to say in this video. Picklish. So now I'm going to move on to these chips and I'm going to try to be very quiet because the bag is very loud and I don't want to overwhelm your sensory organs. Okay guys, so here is the pretzel. It's coated in parmesan, garlic parmesan, so let's go in. coated perfectly even, because it's not coated too much and it's not coated too little. You can taste the garlic parmesan just right. So delicious, delicioso. Whoever said carbs were bad, oh. You have to get the garlic parmesan off your fingers too. That's so good. That's my favorite part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm very thirsty after eating a pickle and a couple of those chips because they're very salty. So I need some water to dilute all of this fucking salt that just entered my system. That was absolutely delicious. And I know that some people will think that this is disgusting, but when I was a little kid, my mom and I, when there was leftover pickle juice, we would drink some of the pickle juice. And my mom drank so much when she was a kid. Here's a fun little story. That my grandmother told her that her blood was going to dry up and coagulate because she drank too much pickle juice. So, bottoms up. That's not going to work because they have peppercorn seeds in this, and I don't want to swallow whole peppercorn seeds down my throat. Thank you, Jesus, for my life, and thank you, Jesus, for pickles because that was delicious. Before I let you guys go, I'm going to say some phrases in Portuguese because it's such a romantic language. I thought it would be really interesting to see how the vowels and all the consonants lay out into the ASMR video realm of speech. So, here we go. Eu te amo com todo o meu coração. Que poesia, caralho, homem. Você sabe, eu quero tapioca com queijo presunto, por favor. Nós falamos sobre o presidente dos Estados Unidos, Donald Trump. Você sabe que ele é muito chato. Eu amo falar português. Igor Alessandro Felipe de Mocedo é o melhor namorado de todo mundo. Ele é muito gostoso de talento. Eu sou brasileiro no meu coração. Durma bem com moçadinhos, meu anjinho. Tenha uma boa noite e uma ótima segunda e uma excelente semana. Meu gatinho é o amor da minha vida. Eu sou gay. Eu sou homossexual. Pão de queijo não é pau de queijo. É muito perigoso falar pão de queijo. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me eating pickles and the little garlic parmesan pretzels and speaking português para vocês, porque eu amo falar português muito com meu namorado Igor. Então eu quero falar com vocês guys in my next video.